Hello class, Mr. Stone here. The problem I found online today, it's determined the area of this composite shape. Okay, so what they have here, they have a rectangle and then they have a triangle. Okay, so hey, they want us to know what the area that is. Well, what I did is I put the formula for the area of a rectangle, and we can go from there. Okay, and this is going to be real easy. Watch how we do it. We'll do the first part first. Okay, so it's 8. I'm going to circle the 8 by 10. So it's 8 times 10. 8 times 10. What's that equal? It equals 80. It equals 80. 80. Okay, so that's the first square. This is 80. Now, we have this piece here. Okay, so hey, what's the dimensions of that? Well, they told you that this whole length here is 10. They told you this length is 5. So it's going to be the difference. So it's going to be 5. This part here is going to be 5. So that will be 5. Okay, so we write a 5. 5 times. Okay, we're going to make this like a square. That's what we're going to do first. Or another little rectangle. Okay, because it's not going to be a square. Because it's going to be, one side's going to be bigger than the other. If all the sides were the same, it would be a square. But it's going to be a rectangle. Okay, now they told you that this was 14, and that this up the top was 8. So the difference between the two of them is 6. Okay, so that equals 30. But there's a catch. That's 30 for this whole thing here. We only have half of that, so it's going to be 30 divided by 2. 30 divided by 2, because we only got half, equals 15. So the small rectangle is 15. The big rectangle is 80, so let's add these together. 80 and 15 is 95. And now, they didn't tell you, well, it's meters. So it's meters. And it's square. Okay, remember, it's got to be square. Because you got 2. If it was 3 of them, it would be cube. But it's 2 of them, it's square. Okay, so that's all there is to it. But you see how we solved this? So we took the rectangle, which was probably the harder part, the triangle, and we made it into a rectangle. Okay, that was the harder part. Okay, and that's all there was to this. Okay, so if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this with any students in school, and if you subscribe to my channel, the more people that will see it, and maybe it'll be more students, and it'll help them when they see a problem like this. They won't panic and say, hey, how am I ever going to solve this? They'll remember, hey, let's just make a rectangle out of this. We're taking half of that for the triangle, and that's all there was to it, okay? Thank you very much, and they'll get a better grade. Bye-bye.